Hi, my name is Alex Martinez, CEO of Nature's Tree Removal of Houston.
Hi, my name is Adrian Archiga. I'm the operations manager for Nature's Tree Removal, and I'm a certified arborist.
We'll be cleaning up all these palm trees from the freeze that happened this winter and removing some of the smaller trees here on the side of the fence line.
One of our key aspects of Nature's Tree Removal is finishing the job. We go above and beyond for our customers. We work very hard for our reviews. Here at Nature's Tree Removal, it's 100% customer satisfaction.